Hello and welcome to day number 8 of my personal projects advent calendar. Today I'm going to be talking about my FPGA development board, the Tiny-XO2, and one of the VHDL modules that I wrote for it, or which I wrote generically for any FPGA, which is a driver for the WS2812B LED strips. First of all, the board was built to be small and especially cheap. I just wanted a few FPGA boards to have lying around which I can use for things without having to worry about them costing a lot of money. The centerpiece of the board is an LCM-XO2-1200HC from Lattice. Has 1200 lookup tables, so not a very big FPGA, but it will be able to realize most breadboarding applications. There's small prototypes which I actually intended this board for. Apart from this, it just has a couple of status LEDs or user programmable LEDs on the top and a USB port. That USB port, if we look onto the bottom, is connected to a USB to serial converter, which is then again attached to the FPGA, so we can get an easy connection to the FPGA from a PC. Programming is not supported over this port unless you write a specific bootloader in the FPGA, which I haven't done up until now. Everything is clocked from a 12 MHz crystal. That's the part above the serial converter. And that's practically about it. We've got the pin headers on the sides and the JTAG header at the top. With all these components, the price for the entire board assembly stays at about 10 euros, which was pretty much smack on my cost target, so I'm very happy that worked out. And then the second part of this video is the design that is currently running on this FPGA. It is a controller for the WS2812B LEDs, and you can find all the code on GitHub. It's completely open source, released under the MPL, so you can use it in whatever project you want, also commercially. Controlling the module is pretty simple. Here's a timing diagram, yay ASCII art. And the repository also comes with 2 demos, a rainbow demo and an SRAM demo, which should allow you to figure out how to use this core. I'll link all the relevant resources in the video description, so feel free to take a look at it. With that, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.